Okay, Cameron, what are we doing today?
We're going to test for air.
And what are one of the experiments we're going to do?
We're going to try to fan ourselves, and the air is going to go to our face.
So you think when we fan ourselves with the plate that you're going to have air blowing in your face?
Yeah.
And do you feel air?
Yeah, I feel air going on my face.
Okay, so is that hypothesis true? Is your guess true that when the fan gets blown back and forth on your face that you feel air?
Yeah, like I'm using too.
Okay.
That's why I'm using so much air.
So our guess is right or wrong?
Right.
Okay, good job. Okay, Cameron, what do you think is going to happen when you take the paper plate and you blow these papers?
It's going to fan it.
And then what's going to happen to the paper?
It's going to fly.
It's going to fly?
Yeah.
Okay, so you and your sister are going to race, fan the paper, and let's see what happens.
I can't do it. Yeah.
You got to get lower than Sissy with Cam.
I can't do it.
No, you got to do it with your paper. Okay, good job. So Cameron, is your hypothesis true?
I won.
But did the paper move when you fanned it?
Yeah.
Okay, so hypothesis true? Okay, Cameron, what do you think is going to happen when we put these bottles into this water?
It's just gonna be water.
It's just going to be water?
Yeah. It's just gonna go. I think bubbles are just gonna explode.
You think bubbles are going to explode? Okay, let's try. Come here. There's 2 bottles, one for each of you guys. They're glass, so be careful. And
They're hot.
okay, put it in there. Together, together, together. Let's go. No, like this. Flat.
Oh my!
So what happened?
Bubbles exploded.
Bubbles. So is there air?
Yeah.
Cameron, what was your guess?
It's just gonna be water inside.
Water inside. So that's true. And Kylo, what was yours?
Bubbles are gonna explode, like air. Air bubbles are like gonna explode.
Okay, so both you guys are true. Both those things did happen. So Cameron, do you know why the air bubbles came in the bottle?
Yeah.
Why?
Because when there's no water.
Can you sit right here, please?
When there's no water going out of the sink thing, where you drip water and you wash your hands, and there was water under it. That's why we put it and bubbles explode.
Okay, that could be true. Well, what happened is, so the bottle, the baby bottle had air in it. So when we put it in water, the water pushed the air out, and that's how the bubbles came. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay.